Hey everyone, a little over a year ago I bought the Halo Infinite Series X, or Xbox Series X, and I just kind of wanted to do a little 1 year later type of thing. Now to most of you who are watching this, it's probably going to be completely useless. It's just a regular Series X for the most part. So the only difference between this and a Series and a regular Series X review will be the outside hardware, which I'll talk about later. So I'm going to be talking about three things. First, I'm going to consider the speed of the console, more outside hardware, the actual look of the design of the console, for any deterioration or anything like that. Firstly, compared to other Series X's, or from when I first got this a year ago, a little over a year ago, starts up in about 3 seconds, if that. I'll show it on screen, but you can tell I also have to log in, so besides that, probably about 2-3 seconds, something like that, not very long. So in terms of actual speed, it's pretty much the same. Clips as well, I can still take them in 4K at 120 Hz. And keep in mind, I have only been playing this console at its full power of 4K 120 frames per second for about a few months now, or since I bought my monitor, which I made a review on. So for about 6 months of pretty consistent playing and at full capacity, it's still pretty fast, pretty good. Second is the actual outside hardware. Now, in general, everything looks pretty good. I didn't really move it from its main spot. I maybe have moved it twice, including this time now. But on the actual, I'll show you right now, the actual HDMI and the power cable, they're still pretty firm in there. A lot of Series X's actually have pretty loose ones. So that's also a little bit of the difference from other 1 year later Series X reviews I've seen. There's a bit of a loose cable or HDMI at the back. But this one's completely fine. And other than that, the buttons still work, they still make sound and stuff like that. So outside of that, there's nothing really to say. Lastly is the actual appearance of the console. Now I also showed the zooming. There was a little bit of a problem. I don't know what it was. It kind of looked like rain droplets. I don't know why. I'm showing it right now. I hope I don't really know what it is. About a month or two after just using this Xbox, I just saw this. I don't know what it is when I wiped it. Maybe like a little water, wipe. I don't really know what that is, but other than that, the console looks fine. It's just those few little dots around the stars, or whatever they are, those few little white dots. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the exact same. Just a short little video I just wanted to make, just to talk about the console, just a year later, see how it's coming up, see if it's any different to any other Series X. So the really only difference is, the cables are still actually well intact, compared to other regular Series X's, anyway, that I've seen. And there was that weird, I don't really know if it's a paint deterioration or what. I don't really know where it's from, because my console is well away from any type of liquids at all, pretty much. So I don't know what it's from. But yeah, other than that, it's relatively the same. The speed and power is pretty much the exact same. I'm extremely happy with it. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much.